Hello, my friend. Follow me step by step to set up this system. Okay, here it is. Eject here. Okay, click folder. First step guide. Okay, you can see. Follow me step by step. Okay, create new. Copy your driver. New Google Assist. Rename it. Click your clinic name. ACOG example. Click extension. You see, click extension. Click app script. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Cost. Sure, cost. Yes. Click here. Control R. Control C. Control A. Control C. Return app script. Control A. Delete. Control V. Shape. Okay. Click here. Add a file. HTML. Click rename index. Okay, index. Click here. Control A, Control C. Return. Control A. Delete. Paste. Shape. Okay. Click deploy. New deployment. Click here. Click to web app. Change anyone. Deploy. Authorizer. Click advanced. Click go to. Click select on. Click continue. Wait a minute. Okay, this web app, this is dashboard we are using. This you can see dashboard. You can shape, you can bookmark this tab. Yes, important. Wait a minute. You should click tab Google Sheets. You can see Google Form. Okay. Yes. You can copy this form, this link, send to your patient. Okay. Now I start. Okay. allergic, none. Okay, click submit. Okay, the same your Python. Now see, yes, system runs. Okay, you can see anything information your Python fill. Okay, okay, this guy. Okay, finish. Thank you.